Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's motion tracking feature. On the editing page, add a video to the timeline first. Open Elements. Choose an arrow shape and click to apply it. Move the arrow to the right place and resize it. On the timeline, adjust the arrow duration according to the video length. Move the playhead to the first frame of the video. On top of the canvas, click AI and choose Motion Tracking. You can preview the sample on the left side. Move the yellow selection box to the object that you want to track and click Start Tracking. A few seconds later, the processing finished. Click the blank space, and you can preview the result. Click the Remove button, and you can cancel the effect directly. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.